Here's a quick video showing how to duplicate a buckle from some snowshoes.
Wow.
I started off by using one of the buckles that was already good and made a mold out of it using ComposiMold. Heat the ComposiMold in the microwave, pour it over your object to make your mold. ComposiMold is a one-part eco-friendly reusable mold making material that allows you to duplicate things anytime you want. Pull out the original from the mold and we are ready to make our casting. I am going to use epoxy resin with some black colorant in it because that's a perfect material for making a buckle that is hard but flexible. I use ComposiMold's black colorant to make it look like the originals. I use a little bit of vegetable oil as a mold release, and I put a little string around it to hold the two parts of the mold together. And then I pull it out of the mold and clean it up. I use a little saw to clean up the edges, and now here it is in the buckle, and we have a new buckle. Now we'll have to go out and try it on the snow trails. Thanks for watching.